How to create a new Google account on PC. First, open any web browser and go to google.com. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Add another account. On the next screen, click Create Account and choose For My Personal Use. Enter your first and last name. Then click Next. Now enter your date of birth and gender, and click Next. Choose a Gmail address for your new Google account. You can select one of the suggested addresses or create your own. Click Next, then create a strong password and confirm it. Google may ask you to add a recovery phone number or email address. You can add one for account recovery, or skip it if that option is available. Next, click I agree to accept Google's terms. That's it. Your new Google account and Gmail address are now ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.